This video is about recognizing that in a multi-digit whole number, so a number with lots of digits, a digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. So what I have on the screen here is a place value chart, and it just shows some of the different place values. So the one farthest over here on the right is the ones place, right here. Oops, I need to get my little drawing thing. So this is the ones place. Now, each place that you go to the left, you're multiplying by 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Here's the comma, tells you when the thousands are coming. 100 times 10 is 1,000. Times 10 is 10,000. Times 10 is 100,000. So every time you move to the left, it's times 10. So we're going to see what that means when we get into some real numbers on the next page. Remember, this one in the middle is just showing you where the comma is. This isn't an actual place value spot. This is just where the comma is that separates out the thousands section from the ones section. So let's look at some problems to see how you can use this. How many times is the 4 in the hundreds place greater than the 4 in the tens place? Select the correct answer. So here's our number, 443. The 4 in the hundreds place stands for 400, and the 4 in the tens place stands for 40. So you can see they modeled 400 here with 400 blocks, and they modeled for tens here, or 40, with 410 rods. How much greater is 40 than 10? 40 than 4? How many times greater is 400 than 40? And so to find out, you'd say, how many times does 40 go into 400? Which is this right here. 400 divided by 40. How many 40s are there in 400? There are 10. So 400 is 10 times greater than 40. And again, remember, if you think about the place value chart, there was the ones. If you multiply by 10, you get to the tens. If you multiply by 10, you get to the hundreds. So the hundreds place is always 10 times more than the tens place. Let's look at another one. This one gives you the place value chart, and it says you can use it to help solve the problem. Which equation represents the relationship between the 2 in the 10,000s place and the 2 in the thousands place? So the 2 in the 10,000s place is worth 20,000. And the 2 in the thousands place is worth 2,000. Since they're one space apart, that tells you that 20,000 is 10 times bigger than 20,000. So let's look at the number sentences down here. Whenever you see a slash like this right here, that stands for a division sign. So this says 20,000 divided by 2,000 equals 10. And this one says 200 times 10 equals 2,000. Both of these are true. 200 times 10 does equal 2,000. And 20,000 divided by 2,000 does equal 10. But which one goes with this problem? The problem's asking us about 20,000 and 2,000. So that means this one right here is the one that represents our problem. Now you're going to see some more problems like this on ScoopPad this week once you finish this little quiz. So be sure to turn in your notes and then do the best you can when you see these on ScoopPad.